Hi guys, get ready with me as I show you how I do my daily makeup. So this is my daily makeup, guys. And I will show you the brands that I use, my prefers, my opinions about it. It's been a week na wala ko'y uli-uli and I miss my grandfather. So this video is for memories only. Pero na ako'y ka naman look back when I get old ba. Like kung wala po ko'y wrinkles, hani nga time. So kanina din ako ni-post sa sa ko YouTube. Only my close friends can find this. Maybe ako i-share sa mga few people na ko i-trust, hindi ko i-judge. Cause like, I am very conscious. Conscious ko ba nga, like, i-judge ko nila nga, ew, vlog, filler, like that. Conscious ko, guys. So, muto. Only few people lang ang makabalungan ng vlog ko. Next na to is our concealer. Oh my god. So this is my concealer. I actually have two concealer. People say na you will use primer bitaw so that matambo na ni mong open pores.
But since, I only use primer when there is a special event and something important na atuan. Pero if like it's just a normal day, I'm gonna use concealer anyway. I don't use foundation because I use concealer as my foundation. I have two shades here. This one is darker and this one is lighter. It's from Maybelline. So like, prefer na ko Maybelline because based on the reviews that I saw on TikTok is that Maybelline is good for those who is acne prone. And actually acne prone ko, so I was observing a lot of, maybe not a lot, a few only. So like, I bought the concealer from YOU. And notice ako before nag-break out ko sa YOU, my friend told me na, what did ka-break out ka because of your concealers? I was like, bitaw no? So, nag-research ko, mga concealer na, like, hindi siya maka-break out. And I found out Maybelline, hindi siya maka-break out, guys. I believe, it's yung coverage. So, prove na ko nga siya yung coverage because friend is, nag-borrow siya sa akong concealer and ano siya nga, wow, nice no? What shade? And two of them bought concealer because they found out that Maybelline concealer is good for your skin. So, I'm gonna use this concealer shade 20. This is good for neutral skin. Neutral, I don't know. Morena ko, guys. Neutral or whatsoever. I'm not white. I'm just like yellow. So, here is it, guys. This is how I apply my concealer. So, I use this shade 20 as my foundation. So, ako nina-cover actually ang mga dark spots na ako. Actually, yulasan naman ako ang mga cystic acne. However, my dark spot is still there. So, I'm still insecure about my skin. I'm still looking for a product that is suitable for my skin because actually, there's a lot of reviews na you use that, it's good for your skin. But every skincare actually works depending on your skin type. So, here's my shade 15 days. Like that. And then, here's a nose. Sa forehead so it can be brighter and also to my chin. Then a little bit here. That is how I apply it.
Guys, I don't use brush because I believe that masyado mag-blend ang hands. Mag-blend ako, guys, See the difference later. See, nice kayo mag-blend sa hands. Just make sure that you wash your hands first. Actually, nag-alcohol ko sa akong hands before ko nag-ano.
So I have lippies here, this one, the two of this. This is my local lippies lang, but it's still good. The O2O and Dazzle Me. Because I am more on shades that is dark, like brown red, sunset red, sunset brown, like that. So this is O2O, this is M21 from O2O.
O2O is for Morena skin. So let me try this lippy for you. I actually mix lippies or do experiments. Like I'm gonna use this, then later and I'll put lip tint so that in the middle it can be dark.
Here's you guys, which lippy do you prefer? But for me, this lippy.
So next is my blush.
I use this Evergreen na lippy as my blush. Nag-order din ko guys sa Focalier. Ito bitang liquid lippy kasi I don't really use powder man good guys. Because I'm really oily ba? I know, because of my skincare, kay mag-powder ko, marang may dead skin. I apply my blush like this, but based sa ako mga na-search nga for those who always round face, they put blush underneath here and not spread the blush here. But naanad mo ko ani, so I prefer this.
I think the blush is okay na. Next is my Alana.
This is Caroline. Few people says na, marker na yung ginagamit sa mga eyes. Girl, no, this is my eyeliner. It looks like marker. Because look at it, it's so big. And it's like marker. Now I'm gonna put in my eye. Guys, if na-wonder mo how I put my eyeliner, some people actually use eyeliner tas taman siya diri. I prefer if taman na siya diri. Because ma-cover naman kapon siya when you use your mascara. So this is my this curler. I bought this Mr. DIY. Actually, na sila mga curler by Sammy. This is my mascara. Guys, highly recommend Bare and Bliss. Yeah, Bare and Bliss guys, Bare and Bliss. Ano siya guys, long last gid siya, mamata pa kapag kabuntag na apa. Pero people prefer a mascara that is not really long lasting so that it can be easy to remove. But I prefer this because much more good ang other mascaras that is easily removable. So I prefer this long last mascara.
So this is my everyday makeup, guys. Ang bato sa ko ingon o yawa.